All right, Chat GPT. Wanna know what their terms of use say? I'm actually shocked, and I'll tell you why in a second. By the way, Chat GPT is a chatbot that you can ask tons of different kinds of questions and it will come up with an answer for you. But let's get into the terms of use. Let's start with content. They define content as input and output. So input being the question that you ask, and you can get really, really specific when you're asking questions on ChatGPT. And output is the answer that they provide to you. So both of those things are considered content, and you still own all of the input, the specific question that you're asking. They own all output, or rather its right to output. An important thing to remember about a lot of these AI platforms is that they are combing through protected copyrighted works in order to come up with a unique answer. They make it clear in their terms right there that you are responsible for the content and to make sure that it doesn't violate any applicable law. So if you're using ChatGPT to write a term paper or write content for your website, it's up to you to make sure that that content is lawful and non-infringing. The last thing to notice is that they make no warranties, no guarantee of non-infringement or that the content is accurate. So in other words, they can't guarantee that what they provide to you is original or that it's accurate. So be careful. I'll talk privacy in part 2.